Today's my topic is Batch Lov. So Batch Lov is the part of the Teamcenter and Teamcenter Bmide. So Bmide stand for the Business Modeler Integrated Development Environment. So is a LOV is we create the list of value. So three types LOV: classic LOV, batch LOV, and dynamics LOV. This is batch first is second number part is batch LOV. Batch LOV is the allow to you directly update the LOV value in Teamcenter database rather than storing in the template. So bulk of value created that times use a batch LOV. You and first create the batch LOV steps I have explained. After that deploy this batch LOV and then modify the XML file, and two types of file created. The one is the XML file, second is a localization file, and modify this localization two files, and then uh, by using utility with the help of we have update this LOV file externally manage the by using the Bmide manage batch .bat utility to update the value of externally managed the LOVs from XML file. List of like first is create a new mean Bmide file, new projects with and then we start seeing uh, new business model or ID template projects, fill all details and then finish. And second is a select projects item and created item successfully. After that on the items selected item and add the property in related item and next and finish. And go to the extension section and then three types of LV. First is a classic, second is a batch, and third is a dynamic LV. The creation batch LV, then right click on batch LV and right click and finish them. After creation, batch LV is file is attached to the item property sub LV section and attach this file in. Go to in console section is created two files. First is sample data and second is a localization file. And when we create the batch LV, that times this window here present, and this add the name, description and types of the batch LV, and uses is exhaustive and suggestive. What is exhaustive is by default, but what is the difference between exhaustive and suggestive? I have explained. Exhaustive is user must be select the value when user will be create a batch of bulk of value, then and pass the like list of value, then only from the LOV. That times no manual and free text is allowed. It's a created in drop down base. It's a exhaustive LOV, and like ensure data control and consistency in the exhaustive LOV is based means, for example, where we exact use product number creation, status, code and classification related. Same as it is suggestive LOV is LOV value are suggestion only. User can type the new value not present in LOV. User is manually put this value. Allow to allows flexibility. Uh, use when value are not fixed, maybe change that times. This is in creation times batch LOV. After that, inside two file creations, one XML file, then is a localization file, and that have mentioned that this file can be used update the LOV value and the sub LOV attachment value. So please ensure that the LOV first step is please ensure that the LOV has been deployed to the Teamcenter server. After that, second step is modify this file by the replacing the commented code below with the with your values, means how many value you can create it, and that times you have passed there, and modify this localization file and language folder replacing commented code with your values. So and then run the command like bmid manage batch lov utility in cmd. Then user argument are passed like username, password, group, options, and file is a bmid project. So with the basis of update the uh, LOV value. Uh, this is a creation after create batch LOV, then deployment deploy this window and modification file related value where how to modify this. Then after modify to uh, by using bmid batch LOV utility with the base of update the LOV value externally. Thank you.